Did you know that the world's top art museums are filled with everything from cardboard to the lids of cigar boxes, to board games, to kitchen towels? When it comes to oil and acrylic paintings, you probably picture stretched canvas. But how did it become the default painting support? Let's unravel it. From the classical world to the Renaissance, when artists weren't painting directly on the wall, they generally painted on wood. Canvas came into use in 16th century Venice, where artists found it easier to work with than frescoes or wood panels, both prone to damage caused by the city's human environment. Plus, they had a cheap, plentiful supply. The canvas they used was intended for shipped sails, a Venetian specialty. First made from hemp, it took another century for linen to take over as the canvas fiber of choice. Fast forward to the mid-20th century in New York, where another group of artists, the American Expressionists, found a need to improvise. With European linen in short supply after World War II, they turned to cheaper utility fabrics like cotton duck to create artwork on a monumental scale. Art suppliers quickly caught on, and within a few years, cotton canvas was widely available as a cost-effective alternative to linen with a uniform surface and pleasing, creamy color.